Alright guys, this is Landon from RH. It's the second video I'm doing that show you how you can use Chef from Convex to build web apps. So in the first video we built this little client relation management system, super simple. And so we're going to take a tour of it now. So I'm going to pull up my text editor real quick. Just because we're going to find stuff that we want to improve here. Alright, let me... Uh-oh. We're having some problems. You come over here and we'll regenerate this. Alright guys, let's try this again. So I rebuilt and deployed. We're going to hit view site. Okay, so here's our site. So here's our dashboard. And we've got some contacts in here. So what I'm going to do, we're just going to delete these. And we're going to start fresh. Okay, so we'll go to our dashboard. We want to add some contacts. So we're going to come down here. We're going to add a contact. So we're going to put in here Salma Hayek. And we're not going to put in any of this stuff. And tags, we're going to put actress Tina. We're going to call it grown man heartthrob. We'll tag her grown man heartthrob. I don't even know how to spell heartthrob. Heartthrob? I don't know. Should we make it 2 words? We better make it 2 words. Okay, we don't have an organization yet. So we're going to say role is Landon's crush. Alright, so there's Selma. Let's go ahead and add an organization. So Salma Hayek definitely does not work for me. Let's add an organization. We're going to say Elite Actresses. Actress is Inc. And this is a corporation. And we won't worry about all the address and stuff. And then here we'll put a talent agency and we'll create. Okay, so now we've got an organization. So we can go back in. We should be able to edit Selma, add an organization. And we'll say Big Star. We'll give her the role of Big Star. Update. Okay, let's add another contact here. We'll add. We're going to make this Catherine Zeta Jones. And this is an actress. Latina. And this is going to be classy lady. We'll give her the same organization. It's a major star. Okay, now we've got 2 of those. Now you can see we can filter. Alright, which is cool. We can also search by name, which is cool. Alright, we got same thing. We can filter here. Okay, so we're going to say, let's see, we're going to add a couple tasks here. So we're going to say get Salma's autograph, and we haven't started that yet, and we're going to assign it to a contact. Okay, and then we'll add another task. get a kiss from Catherine. We're going to say we're working on that's in progress. Catherine Zeta-Jones, create. All right, cool. We're going to try and make a journey here. So we're going to add a journey. We're going to call this celebrity. I'll call it Oakdale Latina Celebrity Dance. This is an event. We're going to say Salma's our big draw on that one. We'll say we're in the planning phase. A celebrity dance in Oakdale with all the biggest Latina movie stars. All right, and then we can add some contacts. So we're going to put, whoop. We're going to put Selma in here. Oh, she's the primary, so that's an additional. And we'll put their org and we'll create. Okay, now we have a journey. We should be able to associate tasks with that. All right, so I don't see where we can associate tasks with that, so we'll have to fix that. Let's see, if we add a task, can we associate it with a journey? No. So it'd be nice. We also want to be able to filter by journey here. Let's see. So you can see we've got a history here that shows that we assigned that task. You can see it's showing the journeys that she's involved in. So that's cool. The journey shows up here. All right, so I think we want to do make a couple changes. We're going to say allow tasks to be associated with journeys and display associated tasks in the journey card. Or something else we wanted to do. Oh, allow the task view to be sorted by journey, be filtered by journey. So we'll make those couple of changes. All right, so I'm gonna. Anyways, you guys can see this works. I mean, I got it. I'm a programmer, but I don't build web apps. Like, this is an app that runs in TypeScript. Well, I did this in an hour. This is pretty cool. It's pretty freaking cool. So, I mean, anybody can build a web app now. Check out Chef from Convicts. It's super cool. I'm going to make those changes. I don't think I'm going to do another video. If you guys got questions, you can reach out to me. Thanks for watching.